Hey, hello everyone, welcome back. In this part, we are going to answer a very important question. What is a shell in Linux? Understanding the shell is essential because it is the main way users interact with the Linux operating system. So by the end of this part, you will clearly understand what a shell is, how it does different types of shells, and why the shell is so important. So let's get started. A shell is a command line interpreter. It acts as a bridge between the user and the Linux kernel. When you type a command, the shell reads it, understands it, and asks the kernel to execute it. Okay, so the kernel does the actual work, and the shell shows you the result. Okay, so simply put it like this: you talk to the shell, and the shell talks to the kernel, like that. Okay. So many beginners confuse the shell and the terminal. The terminal is just the window or the program where you type the commands, and the shell is the program running inside the terminal. Okay, so you can change the shell, but still you use the same terminal. Okay, so let's look at what happens when you type a command. Okay, so when you type ls, this is what happens. Okay, when you type ls, this is what happens. The shell reads the command. Okay, it reads the command. It looks for the ls in directories listed in the path of variable. Okay, so if you want to say, we can use env to see all the variable, to see all the paths. So this is the path variable I'm talking about. Okay, so uh, the shell, when you run a command, the shell reads the command. It looks for the ls in the in the directories listed in the path variable, which is this one. So this path environment variable contains different directories. Okay, and inside those directories, there is a directory that contains the ls program. Okay, so after that, after looking for the ls in the directories listed in the path variable, it poses the command. It passes the command to the kernel. Okay, and the kernel executes that command, and the output is sent back to the shell. Okay, and the shell displays it in the terminal. Okay, and this happens in milliseconds. That's why you cannot see it. Okay, you cannot see like a lagging. Okay, or pausing. Okay, it happens in milliseconds. Okay, so Linux supports many shells, and some common ones include the sh, which is the original born shell. Okay, and we have the bash, and this is called the born again shell, and it is the most popular. And we have another one which is called the zsh, which is the z shell. And we have another one which is called the fish. Okay, and this is known as the friendly. It means f means friendly, and the I means interactive. Shell, sh means shell. Okay, as you can see, shell. So these sh letters means shell. Okay, so we have another one which is the ksh. Okay, ksh means corn shell. Okay, k means corn and sh means shell, as you know. Okay, so to check your current shell, you run echo, then $ shell. Okay, so we use echo because we want to output something. We want to output what the value that this environment variable contains, which is shell, like that. Okay, uppercase shell. Okay, uppercase shell keyword. And if we press enter, as you can see here, we get this one. So this is our current shell that we are using. Okay, it's the path that it's the current shell. Okay, or you can say it's the path. Okay, it's a path to the shell that we are using. Okay, so to see all available shells on your system, we use the cat keyword. So you can use cat, and then you want to see all the shells, and the shells they are located in. They are located in etc, and then shells, like that. Okay. From there, if we press enter, wow, we have many shells. Okay. So we have the sh, we have the bash. Okay, as you can see, we have the PowerShell. As you can see, this one. We have the Tmax. Okay, as you can see, we have many shells. We have even the dash. Okay, So let us take a look at the basic things a shell can do. Okay, so the shell allows you to run commands, use variables, redirect output, use pipes, and write scripts. Okay, so example of running a command, you can run this command date. Okay, and this one gives you the date, the current date, as you can see here. And you can also use variables. For example, you can say name equals, you can say Alex, like that, and from there we can echo our name, echo our name, like that. Okay, like that. Okay, so from there, let us now take a look at interactive versus non-interactive shell. Okay, let us take a look at that. An interactive shell is what you use when typing commands manually, and a non-interactive shell runs scripts automatically. Okay, so for example, typing commands in terminal, there you are using an interactive shell. Okay, and running a .sh script, there you are using a non-interactive shell. Both are important in Linux. Okay, so let us take a look at why the shell is important. Okay, so the shell is important because it gives you a full control of the system. It works without a graphical user interface. It allows automation through scripting, and it is fast and powerful. Okay, so most servers rely heavily on the shell. Okay, so if you like this video, if you have liked this video, please help me share this video. Okay, so thank you so much, thank you so much. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to subscribe, guys. Thank you so much.